We're sitting down eating supper. Mama's sick. And Haley here wants something to eat. So let's see if she wants a french fry. Haley, you want a french fry? Oh yeah, you're going after that one kind of quick, huh? Tata, give me the french fry back. Give me the french fry, Tata. You want to take a bite? Take a bite. Alright. Tata, give me the french fry back. Tata, good girl. Alright. Well, let's see how much she likes carrots. Haley. Haley. Hey. Want a carrot? Well, hang on, Haley. Haley. Haley, you want a french fry? You want a french fry? Yeah. Haley. Good girl. Want to give me the french fry back? Good girl. Yay. Well, how about a carrot? You want a carrot? You want a carrot? You want a carrot? No? How about a french fry? You want a french fry? How about a french fry? Alright. How about a carrot? You want a carrot?
She don't like carrots. She likes french fries.
You want a carrot?
She
What a french fry? Haley, you want a french fry? Look, it's a french fry. Haley, look at the french fry. Want a french fry? Yeah.